Hello, welcome. I'm Janelle and this is Redefy Decor. First things first, I want to say thank you to my now 20 subscribers. Welcome to the Redefy family. I'm so happy you guys are part of the family and I really do appreciate you guys subscribing. I know subscribing is a commitment, so if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead, watch some more videos, get to know me, and then comment below so I can get to know you, and then tell me what you want to see. For my family, my already subscribers, I promise to keep going and keep doing fun and entertaining and educational DIYs. Alright, for this week's video, I am finishing my floors. I'm doing paper brown floors and they turned out great. And it's on the low budget, and you know I always promise keep it on the low. Let's get to the video. Paper brown bag floors. I've already done this before, so I know it's going to turn out great. The first step is prep work, meaning I have to clean out this room, aka all of last week's project's leftover mess. After the room is cleaned out, I have to clean the floors. Because it's cement floors, it's a lot of dust and particles everywhere, so I'm going to use a dust mop and then degreaser and then try to scrape up anything and everything that are on these floors. Then I have to fill in the cracks and you hold everywhere, let that dry. Alright, let's get started. With a quick concrete mix, I'm just using that to fill up the cracks as best as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be covered in like 2.5 seconds. Now it's dry. This is all you need for the paper brown floors. Half water, half glue, continuously stirring until you get consistency of milk almost. Make sure when you're laying them down to overlap each other. All I'm doing is crumpling the brown paper, dipping it into the Elmer glue and water mixture, squeezing any of the over excess glue out, unwrinkling it, and then placing it slightly over top the previous laid pieces. This is going to give that layered look that we're looking for. And then smoothing it out. The floors are now dry. I did let it sit for 24 hours. It came out great. Like, I have no idea what Elmer puts in that glue. It must be some like prize winning horses because this is like strong and thick. And it's like nice and sturdy. Y'all, look at the texture that came out of this. It looks great. All those different patterns are super cool, super organic looking. It has like a leather look to it, like a cool Chipotle floor, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, next step. This is all you need. Yes, and I use the polyurethane for the hardwood floors because it has a nice amber tone to it. It's gonna really pull the amber and that brown of the paper is gonna look great together. You can also stain your paper and then put clear coat on it. I'm gonna actually link some videos above that I think are super cool. They stain it. You can also make faux like wooden planks out of paper bag floors. I mean, like, I feel like the list goes on and on. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get into the next step. When applying the polyurethane, you are going to need 2 coats. The great thing about this type of polyurethane, if you do it within 8 hours of each other, you don't have to sand between coats. And if you ever mess up, all you need is a little bit of mineral spirits to clean up any of your messes. But 2 coats and you're done. The polyurethane is done drying. It took 24 hours and now I can sit on it, walk all over it. I've already started laying out the trim. As you see, that is a 5" by 1/4 trim. I did go with a thicker trim because I didn't ping all the way down to the bottom. And I like the thicker, the longer height of a trim. It elevates the room, definitely. All right, now I just gotta cut the trim down, put some angles in it, and the Redefine studio is pretty much finished. I just gotta decorate it, which is coming soon. Okay, let's get cutting and gluing and nailing. The trim has been cut and nailed and now it's up on the walls. Next is a dab of caulking, or a dap of caulking. This one's really cool because it's Alex fast drying. I don't know who Alex is, but it's fast drying. So I'm gonna put that up, fill up the nail holes, and the floors are done. I cut mine at a 45-degree angle for an easier application. Then when putting it on, I like to make a double or places that have bigger gaps. Then with my wet finger, I'm just going down to make it nice and smooth and seamless. Then I like to use a sponge. I know some people use rags, but sponge is less likely to leave a mark and it's very easy to use. Again, I'm not an expert, but I will definitely link some great videos above. Now it's nice and clean lines. Before I show you the final results, let's see how it looked before. Okay, now for the results in 5, 4, 3, 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Next week I'm decorating, so please stop by and see that. It's gonna be some IKEA hauls, Amazon hauls, at home, thrift stores, the usual. Okay, I will see you guys then. I can't wait. Have a great week. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.